Shoutout guys to all viewers out there. Pa-thumbs up po ng ating screen. Double tap niyo po ang ating screen guys to make it thumbs up. Hello to all viewers out there. Good afternoon po. Talaga. And good evening. Hello doon the world. Ito po ang ating sandwich. So already have cut. We open it and then we put out the mayonnaise. We put out the mayonnaise. We put mayonnaise in the bread. And we put out cheese. See guys, mayonnaise and sliced cheese. Thumbs up po guys, pa-thumbs up po ng ating screen. Double tap niyo po ng ating screen guys. Did you hear me guys? Are you hear me? Guys. And then ilalagay po natin yung ating chicken niluto. Ang ating kudo chicken. Ito po siya guys. Lalagay natin sa ating bread. We spread in the bread. See guys, so yummy. Then after that, I put in the foil. This is the foil guys. I put in the foil to make it color. And put in the oven to make it hot. To make it hot the bread. See guys, chicken kudo. Or the other one. Same but I make it before the other one. I put it the chicken inside the bread. We spread all and the bread. This is called chicken kudo. Look yummy. It's look yummy. Then we put it again in the oil. Then I put in the small bread. Get another oil. So now I use the small bread. Small sandwich.